Hi everyone. In today's video, I'm going to be explaining the T-Life application. We will understand what it is, what features it includes, and whether you actually need it in 2026. So the T-Life app is T-Mobile's all-in-one mobile application designed to manage almost everything relating to your mobile account instead of using multiple apps like old T-Mobile app, the T-Mobile Tuesday app, and the home internet app. Everything has been combined into one single platform. This means you can use one app to manage your phone service, internet, devices, and rewards. Now, the T-Life app works like a control center for the T-Mobile services. Inside the app, you can check and pay your monthly bill. You can track the data usage and account activity. You can upgrade your phone or change the plans. You can add or remove the lines on your account, even manage the devices like watches, tablets, and home internet gateways. All of these actions can be done directly from the app in just a few taps. Now, the app is also where you can access to the T-Mobile rewards and the benefits. For example, the app includes the T-Mobile Tuesdays program where you can get freely weekly freebies, discounts, and the price gateways. T-Mobile is moving towards a digital first system where most of the customer services are handled through the T-Life app instead of the stores and the separate websites. Many tasks like upgrading the phones, managing the plans, and contacting supports are now designed to happen directly inside the application. So the question here is, do you actually need it in 2026? So if you are a T-Mobile customer, this particular app is very useful and often necessary for you. It's the easiest way to manage your account, claim the rewards, and check the usage, and even upgrade the services. In many cases, some services and the offers are only accessible through the application. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.